In today's video, I'm going to teach you easier way to make friends list private on Facebook. If you want a little more privacy on Facebook, tightening who can see your friends list is a smart place to start. I'll walk you through the quickest path, explain what each screen means, and share a couple of tips so you feel confident about your settings. Begin by opening Facebook and heading to your own profile. On desktop, click your profile photo or name in the top navigation. On the mobile app, tap the profile icon or your name. Once you're on your profile page, locate the Friends section and open it. Then choose See All Friends to view the full list. And this takes you to the dedicated Friends page, which is where the privacy control lives. On that Friends page, look for the three-dot menu. It's usually near the search bar or toward the top right. Click or tap it and select Edit Privacy. This opens a panel with separate audience controls related to your connections. In the Edit Privacy panel, find the option labeled Friends List. This is the specific setting that determines who can view the complete list of people you're connected to. Make sure you're adjusting this one, since other items in the panel, like following or followers, control different things. Next, set the audience for Friends List to Only Me. Choosing Only Me hides your full friends list from everyone else on Facebook. People may still see mutual friends you share with them, and your friends can still see connections you've chosen to show in other ways, but your complete list will no longer be visible. The change takes effect immediately and applies across devices, so you don't have to repeat the process on your phone and your computer. A few pointers to keep in mind. Facebook's layout can vary depending on updates, language, or device, so the three-dot menu might appear in a slightly different spot, but the Edit Privacy option is the one you want. If you prefer a different level of visibility later, you can return to the same place and switch the audience to Friends, Friends Accept, or custom choices at any time. And that's it, the simplest path to keeping your friends list private. Take a moment to make sure you're comfortable with your other connection settings while you're there, and you'll have tighter control over what others can see on your profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.